Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a product manager position. In this YouTube video, I'll write a cover letter example that is short, concise and to the point. Once you are done writing, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Click on the hyperlink in the description for more information. Now before I start writing the example letter, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips for product managers. First off, choose a professional font and font size. For example, Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman. And pick a 10 to 12 point font size for easy reading. Secondly, stick to a one-page document of around 300 words and divide your cover letter into 4 paragraphs. Thirdly, maintain a tone of voice that is confident, gorgeous and sincere. Also, avoid clichés, don't babble and focus on what you will deliver. Fourthly, avoid typos, errors, jargon and overly complicated sentences. Keep it simple and easy to read for the reader. You can impress the reader during an interview. At last, distinguish 2 styles, American and British English cover letters. Let's start writing the cover letter, so I can also show you the differences between these 2 styles. First, you need to list your contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath, we put the date and then the hiring manager's name and position, followed by the company's information. As for the salutation, we write Dear Mr. Harris. If it concerns a woman, then you need to write Dear Miss Harris. If the recipient is a married woman, you can use Mrs. as the abbreviation. In case you don't know the reader's gender, then I would suggest you to write the full name, as in Dear David Harris. If you can't, after thorough research, find any contact information, then I would advise you to write Dear Hiring Manager. Now this is how you structure an American English cover letter. For British English, you need to put the contact information and date on the right side. Then you need to put the date first, then the month, and exclude the comma. Underneath we notice that the subject is included in the British English letter. It is commonly used in the UK, but usually left out in the US. For American usage, the month is placed first, followed by the date, and you need to insert a comma between the day and year. We also include a dot after the abbreviation MR or MS. For British English, you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to answer the what, where and why questions. So what position are you applying for? Where did you find the vacancy? Why are you a suitable candidate? And what is the location you would like to work at? Make sure to answer these questions. It proves your attention to detail and ability to communicate clearly. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself, followed by a motivation for the job opportunity. Show that the position that you are applying for is important to you, because you don't want recruiters to think that you are sending the same letter to dozens of other companies. Try to answer questions like, what triggers you to work as a product manager? And/or, why do you specifically want to join their company? Let the reader know that you did your research and are in fact specifically interested in what they offer. In the third paragraph, you need to like this video if you like what you see so far, and subscribe for more related content. In this paragraph, you need to match your qualifications to the job requirements. Don't list your skills and experience like you do in your resume, but instead provide context. For example, answer questions like, what skills and attributes will add value? How come you obtained these qualifications? And what were the results of your efforts? In the last paragraph, you can initiate an interview by mentioning your interest to further discuss the main topic. Refer to your attached references and resume and include your phone number so they can easily reach out to you. Don't forget to thank the reader for taking their time to review your cover letter and close in a compelling way. So kind or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Alright, we covered the most important writing tips and made an example letter of around 300 words and 4 paragraphs. Want to see this example and all of my other examples in text format? Then visit my website via the hyperlink in the description. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, then a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye!